Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Good Friday, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here is really cool. It's a late 1800s reverse glass convex Mason sign. So everyone knows or get out in the history book who the Masons were. But it was a pretty exclusive group started in this country and still in this country. But if you take a look, it's reverse glass. You can see it's in pretty nice shape. You see some peeling going on in the back by the arm. The reason it's a convex sign, as you can see, it bows out a little bit. But it's really a really cool, rich looking sign. Let me see if I can flip around here. So you can see it's got its original backing looking very much from the 1800s. There we go. Take a look, coming back in. So if you are into any kind of Mason's history or into just cool reverse glass, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.